Hey everybody, myself Dr. Deepak Arya, and today we came here with another topic, that is the medicinal plants which you should have at your home if you have some dog or cat. Let's go for the video without wasting any time. So the first plant is lemongrass. If you are having a dog or cat at your home, then lemongrass is must. Well, lemongrass helps in many kind of gastrointestinal problems if your dogs or cats are having. In case of mild arthritis or joint pain, in case of mild fever, and in some kind of if your dog is having small kinds of pain, then from relieving those pains, lemongrass is a very good answer. Second plant which comes in our list is marjoram or marua. Well, it is a very good nerve tonic, it is a very good heart tonic, and it is a very good blood tonic for dogs and cats. If your dog or cat is having some kind of problem related to blood, then they can sense it, and if they take small amount of leaves of these plants, then in that case they will not develop blood related problems very easily. And along with that, it helps in cough and cold also. So if you grow this marjoram or marua at your home, then your dog will face very little amount of cough or cold during seasonal changes or due to any reason if they develop. Well, the third plant in our list is Bryophyllum pinnatum, or in Hindi we call it Pathajata. Well, if you are having this plant at your home, then you should give 4 to 5 leaves of this plant daily in your dog diet. You can mix it in the food and they will eat it. So if you give him continuously for 2 months and your dog is having some kind of stone in the kidney, then there are good chances that those stones will come out. And even if your dog is having not stones, then also if you give him 4 to 5 leaves on an alternate day basis, or once or thrice a week even, then in that case they will not develop stones in their kidneys. Well, we are especially talking about Dalmatians because they have this problem. So if you are having Dalmatian, then definitely grow this plant. And if you are not having Dalmatian, then also if you keep this plant, then it is very good for your dogs and cats. Well, the fourth and last plant in this category is Touch Me Not. In Hindi we call it Chui Mui. Well, this plant helps in boils, acne, eczema, wound. Now, how to use this plant? You need to make a paste of the leaves of this plant, and you need to apply this on the wounds or boils or acne, whatsoever you find on your dog's skin, and you will find very good results in 6 hours. You just apply the paste of the leaves of this plant, and every 6 hours change the bandaging, and you will see the results in 2-3 bandages only, that how miraculous work it does. So that's all for today. If you like our video, then in that case we will make more videos related to medicinal plants for dogs and cats. Hope you like the video. Thank you.